Very well. You're welcome to Kim Logistics. Yes, we have that are purchase and supplies, production and transport and distribution. No, we haven't. I'm the head of distribution. We have mainly perfect order fulfillment versus expected indicators, delivery of effective, quantity, quality established in time and agreed terms is evaluated. Some of these objectives are identify operational problems, minimize operating expenses, optimize the use of resources, measure the degree of client satisfaction. The perspectives to contemplate are financial, customers, internal business processes, and learning, growth, or innovation or improvement. With pleasure. Bye.